And God proceeded to create the great sea monsters and every living soul that moves about, which the waters swarm forth according to its kind, and every winged flying creature according to its kind. Listen closely now. Listen closely now. It is through the man and the woman that God proceeded to create. To proceed means to begin or continue a process already in motion. To create means to produce. Man produces the sperm and or the semen, and the woman produces the ovum and or the earth. Can you see it? Am I making sense? We allow these natural processes to occur by not only avoiding the hazards thereof, but by way of allowing our minds to transmit knowledge and or information through an intense study aimed directly at our reproductive organs. An intense study of warfare, agricultural sciences, trade, banking, medicine, governments, and all the higher sciences of great civilizations, past, present, or future, allowing us to produce the great sea monsters and every living soul that the waters swarm forth according to its kind, and every winged flying creature according to its kind. And God got to see that it was good. With that, God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and become many, and fill the waters and the sea basins, and let the flying creatures become many in the earth."
And there came to be darkness, and there came to be light, a fifth day. Darkness came by way of white supremacy and slavery here in America. Light came by way of the life-giving teachings of the most honorable Elijah Muhammad. A fifth day refers to the fifth period during which the sun is above the horizon. The fifth period of freedom. The fifth period of the knowledge of self and God.